Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you the dimensions of this full wave dual band ham radio antenna for 2 meter and 70 centimeters. This is made out of 1/2 inch copper. As you can see, I got the tape marks here: 7.5 inches, 3 inches, 2, 7.5, 12. Then these here is 7.5 also. Same way with this piece and this one up here. These here are 5 7/8, two pieces, one below, one up above. In here, this is how I did this. It's kind of hard to see here. I used a connector there. The center pin goes to the top. The shield goes to the bottom part. I use solid copper, solid wire. A little hard to bend it, but there you go. I put some ring terminals on there, then screwed them in with some sheet metal screws. Then I pop riveted the connector on, so it makes a nice thing here. So worked out pretty well. And you need 12 elbows to make this. Put it down here on the floor so you can get a better idea here of what it looks like. Lay it sideways there. I pop ribbeted everything together for a cleaner install. I still might go back and just solder it, but the 3-inch leg is on the bottom, 2-inch on the top. Like I said, 6 pieces of 7.5, 2 pieces of 2, 2 pieces of 3, 1 piece of 12, and 2 pieces 5 7/8. I'll put the links in the description. This here I got at a home department store. Connector I got off of Amazon. So this antenna works pretty decent at low elevation, so you don't really need to get it too far off the ground. But there you go. All right, thanks for watching.